Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back to make you hungry again with what's for dinner number 23. The first meal I have to share with you is fried fish. I sliced the fillets, battered them myself, hush puppies, and homemade potato wedges. Such an easy recipe. I do have a recipe on my channel for these homemade potato wedges. I'm going to link that, and there'll be a plethora of other links in the description box regarding cooking as well, so don't forget to check that out. The next meal I have to share with you: seasoned pork chops, creamy scalloped potatoes with green beans. So yummy. Very easy meal. I just throw the meat in the crock pot and cook it on low all day with a little bit of water and seasonings. Homemade chili and grilled cheese. You cannot go wrong with this meal on a cold day. I love making homemade chili. It's a very simple, easy recipe. I do have a video on that as well. Very delicious. Homemade potato wedges, a burger, so another like classic meal everyone loves. Next up, I have a taco and refried beans, and yes, it does look like a burrito, but I just kind of tucked the sides of my taco in so all my fixins wouldn't fall out. And I made my refried beans like Taco Bell, so they have like the mild sauce and the cheese. They are so delicious too, and love some tacos. Parmesan garlic chicken that I made in the crock pot, which is delicious. It's like a Olive Garden knockoff sauce. I found it at the Dollar General. It's Clover Valley brand, and it is delicious. It's a creamy Parmesan garlic sauce. I put it on the chicken, put it in the crock pot, cook it on low all day with steamed broccoli and mashed potatoes. Homemade barbecue, and this is my first time trying my hand at homemade sweet potato fries, which are absolutely delicious, and I will have a recipe video coming soon on these sweet potato fries. Barbecue ribs in the crock pot, fried potatoes, and mac and cheese. I feel like this is like a country southern classic. So good though. Homemade copycat Taco Bell chicken quesadillas. We just had that, and I have some mild sauce on the side. Absolutely delicious, easy to do, and yes, there is a recipe on my channel for this. Homemade garlic toast, peas, creamy scalloped potatoes. We are such on a scalloped potato kick right now. So you'll see them a few times in this what's for dinner. It says on the packaging, I just want to share this with you guys. It says on the packaging of these scalloped potatoes to cook 15 minutes. They always come out hard. I cook mine for 35 to 40 minutes and they come out perfect. And this is on top of the stove, by the way. And that's a Salisbury steak just from a banquet dinner. So when we have stuff planned, especially during the day, like doctor's appointments or school kind of function kind of things, I will cook like something quick and easy, and this is a meal that I would consider quick and easy. You pop that Salisbury in the oven for an hour, and then I just whip up some sides. Another night we had homemade garlic toast. This is a cube steak, a skinned baked potato. It's just a baked potato. I have some butter and cheese on it, and I just peeled the skin off. Beef stroganoff, which is also another very easy box kind of dinner. Mashed potatoes, crescent rolls, and green beans. Very good, quick put together meal. Everyone loves it. We had grilled out burgers. Mixed up the rest of the sweet potatoes that I had into sweet potato fries. Also working on perfecting the recipe. These fries are so good. And I made some deviled eggs. This day I made the chicken in the crock pot with the chicken broth, which I've shared before as a recipe video. So delicious. Chicken gravy, homemade mashed potatoes with chicken gravy, steamed broccoli and cauliflower, and a roll. If you cook your chicken in the crock pot on low with a can of chicken broth, you will not regret it. It's absolutely delicious, and on top of that, it tastes like turkey. Yes, you heard that right. It's gonna be a mock Thanksgiving dinner. So delicious. Cheesy bacon scalloped potatoes, shells and cheese, garlic herb pork chops once again, cooked those pork chops in the crock pot. They were literally falling apart. Another easy meal, this is a banquet box dinner you can find in like the can aisle with the other Hamburger Helper kind of boxes. Country gravy, chicken, mashed potatoes, and biscuit meal. We did have tacos again, so the same thing with the refried beans. I wanted to try these nacho cheese shells, and they were so good. But basic taco with your taco meat, your lettuce, cheese. One has tomatoes and one doesn't. The shells were really good and tasty actually. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to share with you a salad. So some nights we might have leftovers. On this night we had leftovers. I chose to have a salad instead. So some little cherry tomatoes, mild cheddar cheese, bacon bits, lettuce of course, and just some chicken strips that I cut up from the freezer that I cooked up. I topped this with bacon ranch dressing. So good, so yummy. Love salads. What's for dinner number 23. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Found some of the meals helpful. Maybe you want to try them out for yourselves. Maybe you'll go check out my In the Kitchen playlist. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.